In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel to build automation that triggers when someone comments on your Facebook or Instagram posts. This powerful tool enables you to enhance engagement and leverage social media interactions seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore the process of setting up your automation. First, navigate to the automation section in GoHighLevel and then click on Workflows. Once you're there, click the Create New Workflow button. This is where the magic happens. Next, you need to add a trigger. A trigger is essentially the starting point for the automation, and in this case, you want to choose one under the Facebook/Instagram events category. Select either Facebook, user comments on a post, or Instagram, user comments on a post, depending on your preference or where your audience is most active. With the trigger chosen, the next step is to configure the trigger filters. This part is crucial as it ensures the automation only fires when you want it to. Start by selecting Page Is and choose your Facebook page or Instagram account, depending on where you're focusing your efforts. Then select the post type. You can opt for a published post, or if you need to target a specific post, choose Custom and paste the post URL. To fine-tune your automation further, consider adding filters like Contains Phrase or Exact Match if you wish for the trigger to activate only with certain comment text. Also, a nifty feature is Track First Level Comment Only, which can be toggled if you want only top level comments to trigger the workflow. Now that your trigger is set, you'll define what actions will take place once someone comments. You have several options here, one being Reply in Comments, where the system automatically posts a reply to the user's comment under your social post, nurturing engagement efficiently. Another useful action is Send DMs, Interactive Messenger, which sends a direct message via Facebook Messenger or Instagram DM to the commenter. Within this action, choose Reply to Comment via DM as the reply type. You can also tag the commenter, add them to your CRM, or trigger an email. These options are fantastic for turning a simple comment into a lead. For example, let's say your trigger is an Instagram comment containing the word info. You can set the automation to send an Instagram DM with a message, such as, "Thanks for commenting, here's your free guide link," and then add a tag like comment lead before enrolling them into a lead nurture campaign. Before going live, it's essential to publish and test your setup, save your workflow, and ensure it's turned on. Make sure the intended social post is live, then, from a separate account, leave a comment using your trigger keyword. Check if the comment triggers the actions as expected. Does the DM send? Is the reply visible? Ensure everything functions smoothly by monitoring the execution logs in the GHL Workflow Builder for any errors. Finally, it's time for optimization and monitoring. Review which types of comments trigger your workflow most often and refine your keywords if necessary to avoid irrelevant triggers. Use reporting tools within GoHighLevel to monitor how effective your automation is at generating leads. Consider adding a slight delay to your actions to make interactions seem more natural and ensure compliance with platform rules regarding automated responses. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering GoHighLevel's automation features, enabling a more productive and engaging social media strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and happy